Chapter number 3, The Puppy That Wanted to Play. Let's start the lesson. Bruno went to a black fly. Play with me, said Bruno. No, 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 buzzed the fly. I have to sit on the garbage dump. Go away, I have work to do. Bruno went a black fly. And Bruno said, play with me. And the black fly said, no, no, no. Birds, B-U-Z-Z-E-D, birds. Birds means made a low humming sound. Bird sound. I have to sit on the garbage dump. Go away, I have work to do, said the black fly. And Bruno is very sad. And Bruno went to Minu's mother. This is Minu's mother. Bruno went to Minu's mother. Play with me, barked Bruno. Play with me? No, 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 said Minu's mother. I have to clean the house, have to cook food, I have to wash the clothes and water the garden. Bruno went to the Minu's mother. Mother, bhaw, bhaw. Bruno barked. He barked and said, play with me. Minu's mother said, no, no, no. I have to clean the house. I have to cook food. I have to wash the clothes and also water the garden. I have many work. So, go away, I have work to do, said Minu's mother. Bruno is very sad, a long face, and Bruno ran to the Minu. Bruno ran to Minu. Bhaw, bhaw, play with me, barked Bruno, wagging his tail. No, 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 said Minu, I have homework to do. Go away, I have work to do. Bruno, with sad face, Bruno ran to the Minu and said, play with me. Barked Bruno, bhaw, bhaw, play with me, wagging his tail. Here, wagging means moving its tail fast. This is tail of Bruno, and Bruno say bhaw, bhaw, play with me. Minu say no, 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 I have homework to do. मुझे homework करना है. Go away, I have work to do. Go away, I have work to do.